Hello, in front of me I've got BMW Series 2. In this video I'll show you where is the VIN number and what does the VIN number stands for. The VIN number is unique code assigned to every vehicle. It serves to provide vehicle history and equipment. The first VIN number is located behind the passenger's doors on this sticker. Second VIN number is located on the left side of the engine compartment, and the last VIN number is located in the bottom right corner of the front windshield. Let's take a look at the VIN number and decode it. First three characters typically denote the car manufacturer. Characters from 4th to 9th or 10th position describe model and type of vehicle. 10th character represents the vehicle production year. Subsequent characters may indicate the car's place of manufacture. Remaining characters form unique serial number for identification. In some cases the VIN includes details about the engine and body. But these are not all information we can get from VIN number. Thanks to VIN, we can also learn about vehicle, trim level, engine type and size, body style, safety features, production plant specific features, check digit number, market and destination, and series informations. All of those informations you can get from manufacturer or dealer, online services, or government agencies. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.